Hey guys, Diego here. One of the things I worry about the most whenever buying a phone such as the Pro or the Pro Max is that if I will ever get my money's worth when purchasing a device like that. I know that a lot of people spend thousands of dollars and they worry if they're going to be using everything the phone has the capability to offer them. It's no longer about just texting and calling. These phones are powerful devices that really change and shape how we go about some tasks around our daily lives. One of the things I've always wanted to do with my iPhone was to change the look of how the app icons look. So with the help of Moloko from the App Store, you can now change how the main app, so the Apple apps as well as the third-party ones, look on your iPhone. So you do get to rock your own style when it comes to the look of the app icons on your iPhone. Also, there's a hidden Apple button on your iPhone. Have you ever had to take a quick screenshot and send it to someone in a matter of like fractions of a second? Well, I have, and one of the things I would have to do is just quickly take the screenshot, open up the messages, attach the screenshot, and then kind of go from there. It does take a lot of steps. With a feature called back tap, you can simply tap on the back of your phone in order to create these actions without having to go through every single step to achieve a particular result. You can take a screenshot, send a screenshot, mute your phone, do literally a ton of things by just simply tapping the back of your phone twice or 3 times. I have recently lost a package because I was sitting on the couch not paying attention too much. I had headphones on and the UPS guy came and left because I couldn't get to the door to sign for the package. This would have not happened if I had turned on sound recognition on my phone. What sound recognition does is it recognizes certain types of sounds and then alerts you through your phone that that sound happened. And one of the sounds that would have saved me the headache would have been the doorbell. You can even recognize a doorbell sound in order to alert you that the bell has been rung, and then you can just, go to the door in case you weren't listening to it if you had headphones or something, in order to get to the door. You can also listen to pets, children, smoke alarms, fire alarms. So these things are important whenever you're keeping a home safe and you want to make sure that you're aware of everything around your surroundings. It's a great accessibility tool as well. As I mentioned on my previous video, which I'm gonna leave a link right here, I'm a big fan of the camera when it comes to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've missed out on some pretty funny moments whenever taking family pictures or just pictures of people in general because I had to switch to the video, get the video started, and so on and so forth. There's a specific feature called Quick Take on the iPhone that you can get to it if you're taking a picture by just swiping to the right. That particular feature will immediately turn on the video recording, so you go from taking a picture to recording a video in a fraction of a second, and you can continue to capture that moment in a different way. Which then leads me to one of my favorite hidden features on the Pro Max, which is the ability to record Dolby Vision video. I absolutely adore this feature. The colors and quality of the video that you get when recording with this feature on are absolutely stunning. It really does not lose to any camera that I've used to this date. And as an add-on bonus, you can also throw that footage into your Apple TV via AirPlay in case you're using a 4K Apple TV. So you can record super high quality videos on your phone, immediately toss it onto your Apple TV, and consume that on a big screen. This is pretty awesome. I have recently covered if the iPhone 12 Pro Max is worth the investment, and I'm gonna leave this video right here on the side where you should totally check it out. And this about wraps it up for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.